Ma'am, si Attorney Michael Powa, in an interview, sinabi po niya na for them, para po sa kanila, yung importante po na sana, pag-convene po ng impeachment court, mapag-usapan na, magkaroon na po nung, kumbaga, resolution do sa two-thirds threshold. Sabi po niya, that will be part of the ground rules. Dapat daw alam na agad ng depensa kung ano ang magiging threshold dahil wala pa namang categorical nga na sinasabi yung Senate right now. Definitely, dapat mapag-usapan agad yan kaysa sa gitna mapag-usapan and magkaroon ng problema, sabi ni Powa. Do you share the same sentiment?
Well, we are agreeable to that, no? At least in as far as I am concerned. We're agreeable to that so that both parties will be guided as we present our respective evidence. And so that when we conclude the presentation of evidence, it is clear already, not only with the impeachment court and the parties, but even to the sovereign Filipino people, the proper interpretation and application of the threshold provided in the Constitution. For the guidance of the viewing public, ang nakalagay po sa saligang batas is two-thirds of all the members of the Senate. Because of the change of leadership, when now SP was elected then as SP pro tempore, right? Biglang na-enlighten po tayo dito sa doktrina ng Avellino versus Cuenco, no? And that is why there are discussions now about the possibility of applying the same doctrine with respect to the interpretation of the threshold required for the purpose of conviction. So to your question, yes, I agree na mapag-usapan ito before the start of presentation of evidence.
Last na lang po. Earlier sinabi na po ni Senator Panfilo Lacson na ang napipisil nila kung sakali lang daw po na maging presiding officer ay si Senator Chis Escudero. But yesterday po, sinabi ni Senator Robin Padilla na yung minority bloc po should oppose yung possible designation po ni Chis Escudero bilang presiding officer for the impeachment trial. Your thoughts po?
Well, that is the prerogative of the impeachment court dahil sa kanila na meron naman po silang karapatan. Yung karapatan po nila na mag-promulgate ng kanilang rules. And that is part of the rules. And I understand that during the last session, they amended the rules. And instead of the Senate President who will sit as a presiding officer, it will be upon the election of the members of the Senate. So, nasa kanila po lahat yung karapatan.
All right. Right, we'll now recognize Gab.
Hello po. Halos pare-pareho lang po yung tanong namin dun sa common evidence. Tanong ko na lang po, can you categorically state na this is the version of the pre-trial conference that is delaying, ito yung nagpapatagal sa proceedings po, sa step na ito sa proceedings?
Because of the voluminous documents that the prosecution needs to be marked, no? My answer to you is yes. In this particular case, ang nagpapatagal ng PTC is the marking of voluminous exhibits. If you will remember, the comment to propose stipulation of facts, counter stipulations, list of witnesses, list of exhibits, even the trial dates, no? Submitted na lahat yan sa impeachment court. Ang natitira na lang ay ang marking of exhibits. And to the question, ano nagpapatagal ng PTC? Yes, it is the marking of exhibits that is prolonging the pre-trial conference.
Specifically the common evidence po.
Not only the common evidence, but the totality of evidence that needs to be marked, no? Remember that a huge number of documentary exhibits of the prosecution is listed as well in the list of evidence of the defense, no? So, I presume that kung gaano kadami yung ebidensya ng prosecution, most likely as to documentary exhibits, ganun na rin karami yung sa defense.
Ma'am, sir, may dadagdag po kayo, Kong Joel, or okay na po?
Kasi hindi naman yan kasi normal na pagka pinresenta mo yung ebidensya, ay marka na lang na marka. Hindi po ganyan yan. So normally po yan, pag may ebidensya na pinipresenta, halimbawa may dokumento po, ikukumpara pa yan, titignan pa yan ng kabila at magbibigay sila ng komento. Pagkatapos po niyan, pipirmahan pa nung pag nag-agree na po, pipirmahan pa po yan nung kung sino man yung yes. May mga tao pa pong pipirma dyan. So, could you imagine kung 4,000 dokumento sa amin pa lamang? Dadaan po sa lahat ng prosesong ganyan. Kaya ganyan po talaga yung nangyayari.
Ma'am, sir, can you estimate up to what extent bibilis sana yung proseso kung sakaling pumayag yung defense panel na yung common evidence sabay nang i-verify? Or sabay nang i-mark?
Well, for the common evidence, it will be half the time, which will be dedicated to the common exhibits for separate marking, no? Kasi ang nangyari doon, separate yung presentation and marking for the prosecution, papakita kay defense, patatatakan sa impeachment court, pepermahan ng prosecution, defense at saka ng impeachment court. So yung prosesong yun, uulitin mo uli pagdating dun sa defense, notwithstanding the fact that you are talking about exactly the same document, no? So na-double yung time. So if they will agree na isang document lang, ibig sabihin isang examination lang, no? Isang permahan lang. So that will be, as to the time which will be spent, it will be diminished by half the time which is actually being spent when marking common exhibit but separate documents.
Final question po. Yung mga proposed nyo po kasi na paraan para magkaroon ng extra na matapos yung pre-trial conference, which is yung additional lawyers po or teams from the defense or the additional days for the pre-trial, parang medyo hanging on variables po siya eh. Depende po siya kung mag-agree yung mga parties na iba. Kung hindi po mag-agree yung sa dalawang proposal na ito, ano pa po yung nakahandang or meron pa po bang naiisip yung prosecution na possible na paraan para ma-expedite yung process?
Well, as of now, yun ang pinaka-solusyon na nakikita po namin. Unless, of course, meron pang may sasuggest ang defense at saka ang impeachment court. So, yun naman po ay aming proposal unless, siyempre, may mas maganda silang proposal.
All right. Next question.
Magandang hapon po. Ma'am, does the prosecution panel find the marking of the evidence stage taking longer than usual or taking longer than what the team expected?
Well, we anticipated this because, of course, we are aware how voluminous our documents are, no? It's just when we realize that the documents of the defense is similar, that's when we realize that the time to be consumed for the marking will be doubled. Because almost the same document ang exhibits ng prosecution and defense, and then they made a position for the marking on separate set of documents.